Meeting the audience. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Warmasidik. I am nursing student from University Aisyah Bandung. I am from class 2B. 2B. Langsung saja share screen-nya. PPT-nya. Nah, expressing the purpose. Today, I am going to explain about tips and tricks for listening to call expressivity in fact skill 1 by 3. My presentation will take about paling lama 15 menit. Listening section divided into 3 parts A, B, and C. Yang pertama ada yang part A, short dialogue among two speaker. Terus ada yang part B, longer conversation among two speaker. Terus yang part C, fact or speak monologue. Nah, next. Listening section part A, short conversation. Number 1, the first focus on the second line. Number 2, second, keep in mind that the correct answer in probably restatement of a keyword in the second line of the conversation. Dan number 3, the tip, keep in mind the certain structure and expression are tested regular in listening part A. Listen to this structure and expression. Dan ada number 4, the part in you don't understand the conversation you can find the correct answer. Nah, yang number 1, if you only understand a few word or idea in the second line, cause the answer that contain a statement of first word on or ideas. Nah, selanjutnya, if you did not understand anything at all in the second line of the conversation, cause the answer that sound the most different from what you heard. Next, in this listening section, part A, there are no skill 1, statement 2, dan ada negative 3, suggestion 4, passive 5. Nah, condition about to end where 5, expression of argument. Those are some tips and tricks or strategies for listening part A. Now let's just move on and start discussing skill 1 sampai 3, listening on TOEFL. Next, skill 1 is restatement. The best strategy to answer with restatement. Number 1, as you listen to the second line of the conversation, you can focus on the key ideas in deadline. Dan ada number 2, if you see a restatement of the key ID in a particular answer, then you have probably found the correct answer. Number 3, do not cause answer with what the sound similar to the word on the recording. Nah, dan ada yang number 1, human. What do you like about your new house? Yang A, the house in choice of no. Dan yang B, he parked his car close to the house. Yang C, his home is not a far. Yang D, he does reality like his new house. Nah, the answer is C. Because we see that synonym for very close in there. Because to answer in this part we have to find the synonym for the word. The next ada bring me to meet the following with in skill 2, the negative statement. Most common kind of correct refers to a negative statement is the positive statement containing a word in which on opposite image. So in this skill, we must know the sentence in negative or positive. In the sentence is negative, then the answer in positive and vice versa. For example, number 1, young man, kata si man. How you ever come early for class? Woman, at no time have ever come to class on time. Nah, kata si naratornya, what does the woman mean? Nah, tanya yang jawab pertanyaannya yang number A. She has no time to come to class. Yang B, she does attend class. Yang C, become the class early ever on and a while. Yang D, she always comes to class late. She answer is D. Jawabannya yang D. Because woman said at no time have I ever come to class on time in she came late. Nah, ada lagi yang terakhir. Bring me to my next point with skill 3 suggestion. These are 3 suggestion verb. Dan ada yang pertama ada let's, yang kedua ada why not, yang ketiga ada you'd better for example. Nah, itu pertanyaannya kata si Mel. The weather so beautiful today. Nah, kata woman, let's walk to school instead of driving. Nah, kata si naratornya, what does the woman suggest? Ini pertanyaannya. Yang A, taking the car to the school. Yang B, taking a walk instead of going to school. Yang C, going for a drive in the beautiful weather. Nah, yang D, walking to the class. Dan jawabannya yang within the answer A, B, C, or D. Here we have to focus on the second line. Second line, the woman Suges walk to the school instead of driving. So here it's clear that the answer yang D. So I think enough for me to account about listening to solve what A. Skills 1 sampai 3. Let's say. Nah, alhamdulillah. Thank you for you. I think hopefully can be useful and understand what I am account. So sorry if I have mistake a word because I am skill learning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih.